Welcome, welcome, welcome to Storytime with me, Miss Sheila. I hope you're having a wonderful and beautiful day. Today's story is called A Second is a Hiccup. Sorry, A Second is a Hiccup. Let's find out what all this is about. I think it's about time because look at there's a clock on here. So a second is a hiccup. The time it takes to kiss your mom, or jump a rope, or turn around. A minute is a longer time. A happy, hoppy little song. Chorus, verses, not too long. Just enough to fill a minute. See, they're playing the little song. An hour is a longer time if you build a sandy tower. Run right through a sprinkly shower, climb a tree and smell a flower. Pretend you have a secret power. That should nicely fill an hour. Oh, this is a cool book. It's about time and how we can fill it. A day is a much longer time. Starting when the sun comes up, a day needs filling like a cup. Hiccups, kisses, songs, and showers, lots of trees and lots of flowers. Breakfast, lunch, and snack and dinner. Play some games and cheer the winner. Draw a picture, read a book, tell a joke, and learn to cook. Watch the sunshine fade away, fall asleep, and that's a day. A week is much longer time. 7 days make up a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and end day, Saturday. A favorite one. Some are quiet, some are fun. Work days, home days, play days, school days. So it's showing the pictures of all the different days and things. 7 wake ups and 7 sleeps. Close your eyes and do not peek. Still, you never, ever, ever stay asleep for one whole week. Could you imagine sleeping for one whole week? Whoa. A month is a much longer time. A month is time for things to change. Seasons often rearrange. Winters melt and warms to springs. Caterpillars find their wings. And if you fall and scrape a shin, in a month there's brand new skin. Learn to tie your lace tights. Learn to float, relaxed, and light. Learn to count, clean up to 10. I mean, learn to count, clean up to 10. Learn to count, back down again. Watch the moon grow round and flat, then thin again. Imagine that. And all of it in 1 month flat. A year is a much longer time. A great big circle spinning round. Climb aboard, you're 1 year bound. You'll grow right out of your old shoes and taller too. Now that's good news. Sunshine, snow, and rain and squall. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Twigs on trees grow leaves and peaches. See how far a whole year reaches? See, they're picking up the peaches. Tiny babies learn to walk. Bigger babies learn to talk. Holidays of every kind linked together in a line. Now your birthday's almost here, and you are older by a year. A childhood is a long, long time. Hiccups, kisses, songs, and showers, running through whole fields of flowers. Laughing, learning, climbing, leaping, building, dancing, reading, sleeping. Changes come and changes go. Round and round the years you'll grow. Till you're bigger, till you're bolder, till you're ever so much older. And through all the hours and days, as time unfolds in all its ways, you will be loved, surely as a second is a hiccup. Ah, that's so cool. And now they're all back to sleep. Isn't that cool? I thought this is a really cool story. So I hope you really enjoyed it. Until next time, it's me, Sheila. Keep shining your light bright. Bye for now.